let's show you how to wrap up a project once you're all done so that you can send it into Classroom, uh, getting it from Drive. So here we are. I'm in my project in WeVideo. I'm just kind of using a fake little timeline here, pretend I'm done with my project completely. Now, it's mandatory that you have an intro title and credits. You can add other titles in. You could add music if you want. You could add transitions, effects. I mean, the list goes on and on. You could do as much to this video as you want, but you're required to at least do an introduction title and credits at the end. So when you're finished, in the upper right here is a finish button. Click on that. Now you come up with a different screen. These thumbnails don't really matter for the most part. Make sure you name it. Okay, it should be the same name as what you called your project. Mine's called Test Video. I'm going to add my name to it, so Test Video Cray, so that I know who turned it in, what your title is. Obviously, I'm going to know who turned it in Classroom, but then once I start downloading those, it's much better if I can see your last name and the title. Okay. For export, make sure that you don't choose audio only. It should be on video. And here's the big one right here. I do not want to see standard definition videos. Switch them over to high def, HD. Okay? It's going to take a little bit longer, but it's going to look way better. And you all have nice cameras on your phones or whatever you shot them on, so you might as well show the whole deal. And then finally, make sure mark video as public is on, should be green automatically. And then choose Drive. Now I'm going to click on this, and down at the bottom, I'm going to choose Export. Okay, I'm going to undo, I can't undo that one. So make sure you choose Drive and then choose Export. And now what you might see is a quick little pop-up menu that says, do you want to sync to Google Drive? Just say yes to that. And if you have multiple Drive accounts, choose your school account. And here it is. It's doing its thing. All right. I've discovered that it's somewhere around 1 to 2 times the length of your actual video. So if your video was a minute long, it would take between a minute and 2 minutes to get this process done. That all depends on your internet connection. Everything is slow right now at my house as far as I don't have a lot of people using internet, so it's actually going kind of quick. It's closer to 1 time speed. So that's it. Once that's done, it'll be in your drive. They'll shoot you an email saying that it's finished. You don't need to stay on this screen while it's going. So if it's a half-hour video, you could click on other tabs and continue on with your life if you want to. Okay. Once it's in Drive, they'll send you a quick email saying it's good to go, and then you know how to turn in an assignment from Drive at this point. You go into Google Classroom, turn an assignment, and then attach the file from Drive, and you should be good to go. So if you have any questions about that final process, shoot me an email or a quick hey in Google Classroom, and I'll do the best I can to help you out. Okay? See ya.